Inserting an SD card into your Sony a6500 camera might seem tricky if you're doing it for the first time, but no worries, we've got you covered. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to get your camera ready for some serious shooting. Flip your Sony a6500 over so you're looking at the bottom of the camera. You'll find the battery compartment door here. It's usually near the hand grip. Slide the latch that secures the battery compartment door towards the center of the camera body. This should pop the door open slightly. Now, gently open it all the way. Inside the battery compartment, you'll see a slot designated for the SD card. Make sure you're holding the SD card with the label facing towards the battery, which usually means the metal contacts on the card will face downwards. Slide the card into the slot gently but firmly until it clicks into place. If it doesn't go in smoothly, check to make sure it's not upside down or backwards. Once the card is securely inserted, shut the battery compartment door. Press it down until the latch clicks, which indicates that the door is locked safely. Press the power button to turn on your camera. It's a good practice to format your new SD card through the camera's menu to ensure it works correctly with your device. Navigate to the menu, find the Setup tab, select Format, and follow the on-screen instructions to format the card. And just like that, your Sony a6500 is all set to capture stunning images and videos.